Okay, so they're going to give us a trigonometric value, and then they want us to find the other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay, so they say the cosine of t is 12 over 13, and t is in quadrant 4. Now, they didn't have to give us a picture. We could have drawn that picture, but they gave us a picture. It's a little blurry, but there it is. Okay, so this point here is 12 over 13 for x, and then we don't know what y is. Okay, so we do know the cosine now. So cosine squared t plus sine squared t is equal to 1. We know that from our Pythagorean identity. So we can take the 12 over 13 and square it, because we know the cosine of t is 12 over 13, plus sine squared t equals 1. Well, 12 over 13 is 144 over 169. Subtract that. I got the common denominator. And what do we get? 25 over 169 for the sine squared t. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the square root of both sides. So you're going to say sine t is equal to, it's either plus or minus 5 over 13. Okay, so you take the square root of 25 to the square root of 169. Now we know if sine is positive or negative because we're in the 4th quadrant. So it's got to be the negative case. Think about this here. Y has got to be negative 5 over 13. Okay? All right, then now we know the sine, we know the cosine, we should be able to do all the trigonometric functions. So I'm going to write sine t, we just figured that out, negative 5 over 13. Cosine t, that was given to us, 12 over 13. Tangent t, well, that's going to be sine over cosine, right? So we know it's going to be negative. It's going to be 5 over 13 over 12 over 13. However you want to do that. Anyway, that's going to be a negative 5 over 12. You can just cancel those denominators. Okay. I don't know if I've shown you that before. Now we do the reciprocal functions. So cosecant t, think reciprocal of sine. It's going to be negative, but it's going to be 13 over 5. Think of secant t. Well, it's going to be the reciprocal of cosine. It will be positive. 13 over 12. And then last, cotangent t, it's going to be the reciprocal of being negative, 12 over 5. Okay? So that would be the 6 trigonometric functions. They gave us the cosine, and we found the other 5. So I like these problems. I think these ones are fun. So